Okay, now I'm going to show you how to darn. If you have a tear in your sheet or anything like that, you can't directly go onto the fabric. Use a little bit of stiffening, they call it tear away. You put it behind your tear and you put your sewing machine, on our machine it's stitch D, it's called a serpentine stitch or a broken zigzag stitch, and I'm going to use it between 1 and 0. You need it quite close. We're doing it in a white cotton and not similar, so you can see how nicely it can darn. So we go down our tear till we reach the end of our tear. We turn around. You can, on your stitch length here, you can go even closer if you want. And you go down the one side again till the end of the tear with your needle on the left.
So can you use this on any fabric?
You can use it on any fabric, it works like a charm. And if you had to use the same color cotton, you won't even see that tear. To the end, take your nippers, cut it off and nip it off this side as well. Then you can now discard of your tear away. It's just there to support your fabric and give it some body while you're doing your alterations. And there it is.